Unlock a safer way to bank with your NatWest card reader. First, open your NatWest mobile app and start your login process by entering your username. When prompted, select the option to log in using your card reader. This ensures a secure, multi-factor authentication for your account. Now, insert your NatWest debit or credit card into the card reader, making sure the chip is facing upwards and towards the front. On the card reader screen, you'll be asked to enter your 8-digit PIN. Remember, this is your card's PIN, not your online banking password. Carefully enter your PIN using the keypad on the reader and press the green OK button. The card reader will then generate a unique, one-time passcode. This code is time-sensitive and can only be used once. On your mobile app, locate the field that asks for your card reader passcode. Type in the 6-digit code displayed on your card reader. Once entered, press confirm on your mobile app. You'll then be securely logged in or have your transaction verified. For every transaction, whether it's logging in, making a payment, or transferring money, your card reader provides an extra layer of security, protecting your digital banking. It's that simple to enhance your online safety with NatWest.